I went to school, all we had was a green drafting board. We drew everything by hand. To come into a facility such as this and see them doing robotics and the things that they're doing, the technology has advanced so much, and they're learning the skills in school before they even get to college that they can apply to a job such as Spantech and other companies. So that's what's really important.
Critically important. Just engineering in general, I think the number one takeaway I try to stress for them, whether it's the robotics or engineering side, is just it's an iterative process, which means you are going to fail most likely than that first time you do it almost every time. And that's just something you need to be okay with, because when you get out in the real world and you try to do something, you're not going to be successful every single time. So you got to kind of build that endurance up to be like, all right, what went wrong? What do I need to change next time? What can I do differently? How can I make it better? So sort of ingraining that engineering mindset into them.
Spantech has helped with the purchase and use of equipment, even from providing training for a lot of the technology that's here in the innovation zone. But also they've helped in bringing on some of our students that have been trained in our engineering fields or computer science fields or in our machine tool and other industrial engineering fields by bringing them on as co-op students and to continue in work-based learning. Work-based learning is it's a high priority, specifically here in Barren County Schools, as we look to prepare students to become life ready. We know that they can do that and do that well when they go out to our community partners that are doing it well in business and industry. Spantech's one of those that we greatly appreciate taking those students on.
Being in this environment helps me want to pursue a career in welding even more than I already have.
Barren County High School gives, especially that one in particular, gives us a lot of opportunity to come out here in the environment like this place and a few others around town and get some experience in the trades. Learned a lot of things, like putting these together, for example. I had no idea what they did here before I came, so I enjoy it. I appreciate what they're doing.
Seeing myself on the wall is kind of a cool experience, because here I am promoting my own field to these young students as they start their journey into either higher education or trades or everything else that's out there. By starting out here sooner, they may become the next Spantech employee or even beyond, if that's where their path leads.
We're at Barren County Area Technology Center. We're in the computerized manufacturing and machining program here on campus, also known as machine tool. And what we have behind us is a Haas CNC lathe that was donated by Spantech. Mr. Bud Lane, owner of Spantech, donated this to our program a few years ago. Companies like Spantech, they offer co-op based positions for some of our students. We've also got former students that work out there. There's several that work there. It's great to see them learn on equipment like this in our program, and good to see them continue, giving back to the workforce locally in the community.
So to all our friends at Spantech, we would like to say thank you. I've been blessed and encouraged by the relationships that we have there, not just professionally, but personally. And I know our students and our other staff members have as well. So thank you, Spantech, for your investment in Barren County Schools.